Ethereum is breaking out. We had a huge move on ETH today. It is coming into resistance again here, though. So I'm talking about what's going on with Ethereum. We did take profits on part of the ETH trade, so I want to talk about that with you. I want to talk about XRP as well. We've seen a lot of great charts across crypto. I want to discuss some of those with you. Let's get into it. So first and foremost, ETH, my boy, Vitalik. ETH is good. Again, wild range here on ETH. Now, we went long on ETH in a video last week. You saw that. We went long at $2,460. We kept that trade open throughout a volatile weekend. Okay? Big pump yesterday. Take profit order hit at $2,650. Beautiful profits. I'll show you that in a second. Now, that was my trade on Bittrex for Ethereum. I had the same entry point on a trade on Femex for Ethereum, slightly larger size than the Bittrex trade. That trade is still open with a take profit target of $3,300. Okay, so that one still got some room to run. This one we took profits on, put some money in the account. Feels good, as always, to get a nice win. So that's great. Beautiful trade here yesterday. But crazy thing, ETH is still between the rock and the hard place, okay? Here is the rock, okay? 200-day exponential moving average. Of course, we had that beautiful bounce off it right down here on the Friday, the 6th of June. Wild move up here, back to the hard place, which is the 200-day simple moving average. So where to now? Well, the market's showing us some very obvious levels that it cares about, okay? So we've seen all the daily candle closes basically right here around $2,680. 1, 2, 3, 4 times now, plus a wick up into this area on the 4th of June. So critical area. Also very critical, $2,740. Resistance here, resistance here. We wicked a bit beyond it there, but also resistance yesterday in that exact area. So see the price get beyond $2,740. That's a new long entry. Okay? Potentially, if we can actually build a bit of support here on top of the 200-day SMA, I could consider going long again, potentially here for ETH in that scenario. But as we see how it's reacted the last 3-4 times it's got up to this area, there's a pullback that comes after. Now, I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback to, for example, the 20-day EMA around 2550. Could be a long scenario in that situation. I think the more compelling trade here becomes the breakout beyond 2740, because that's a critical level. So when we break out beyond 2740, we probably have a good move coming in from that takes us up to 3,000, potentially 3,300, which is again where the Femex trade currently is having its take profit target put in at. Okay, so when ETH moves, it moves, and a breakout beyond here after such a huge range consolidation probably is going to result in a decent move happening. Okay, so that's where we are right now. Of course, we have this RSI downtrend that broke out yesterday. Broke out not just the downtrend, but also above the yellow control line, so that's good to see. MACD maybe 2 days away, assuming that we continue to have some kind of vaguely positive price action, maybe 2 days away from MACD bullish crossover. So let's see how that goes, but that's what I'm thinking about ETH right now. Looking beautiful, beautiful chart, crazy consolidation range here. When that range resolves, hopefully to the upside, it's going to be a massive move. By the way, if you want to trade ETH, Bitcoin, Solana, Pepe, whatever you want to trade, guys, you got to check out Bittrex, the hot spot to be trading these days. That's what I'm doing a lot of my trading at. No KYC, no VPN, no BS. You just sign up, deposit your cash, trade, have a good time, okay? Right now, you can also get some insane bonuses. So there's up to $2,000 in trading bonuses available. $400 in deposit bonuses. So you deposit $500, you get $100 back. $1,000, you get $200 back. $2,000, you're gonna get $400. $400 bonus given out. That's absolutely crazy. That's free money, man. That's awesome. And every day, Monday to Friday, I should say, not every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, during the live streams, we're giving away $1,000 a day for the whole month of June, okay? And that's if you sign up today. Link down below. Go check it out. Thank you very much. So the ETH trade we closed out. You can see here the profits on the ETH trade. That was a little over $8,000 on that trade. Good trade, happy trade. Success, fantastic. Take the win, move on. reassess later. Played level to level very nicely. Now, I have also got a whiff trade that I opened up around the retaking of, I think, the 20-day EMA yesterday. So that's played out pretty soon. I might take profits, or at least partial profits on that one soon. But the take profit target of that's around $1.12, I think. So it's moving in that direction. But I'm going to keep a pretty tight eye on this one. You know, meme coins go down just as fast as they go up. So I'm going to keep an eye on that and see if we can continue to catalyze upside momentum on it. If not, might take the money off the table on that one. XRP trade open, currently in profits. Not a big move right now on XRP. I feel like a big move could be brewing, though, especially with what ETH has been doing recently. And a very speculative position opened up here on Mudeng, the Stinky Hippo coin. Stinky Hippo, will you give me some more money, or are you going to eat my cash again? Let's find out tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. XRP, I like a lot of things about the XRP chart right now, okay? A lot of things about the XRP chart right now. So we have a big downtrend line right here with a lot of nice touch points. 1, 2, 3 here. Breaking out, okay? After a 200-day EMA retest, came back up, bounced back very strongly, broke out of the downtrend line, reclaimed the 20-day EMA, reclaimed the 50-day EMA, okay? Beautiful move here. MACD has crossed bullish 2 days ago. RSI broke out a few days ago as well. We have a lot of momentum factors saying that XRP could go higher. And XRP is one of those coins, man. When it starts moving, it moves really fast. The flip side is XRP is also one of those coins that's going to fake you out a lot of times, okay? So the XRP trade here. We opened this up. Let me tell you the exact parameters of this XRP trade. Entry price was at 223. 223. So right here on the retaking of the 20-day EMA. That was the bet. Okay, 20-day EMA. We retook that. Let's go. Okay. So 20-day EMA retaken here. The take profit target is actually up here around 260. I'm not sure. You know, it's an interesting one. XRP can definitely do that. But like I said, we can get a lot of fake outs and stuff in XRP recently. But that's currently the target. I have not moved the stop loss up to break even yet, but I might do that in the next day or two. We'll see how the price reacts here. If we can maintain above this 20 and 50-day EMA, then I think it'll give me enough room if I move it up to 223 to break even, that there'll be enough room there that hopefully a trade can breathe and mature and go higher. But if the market, you know, dumps, then I'll get out, break even. Fine. Didn't lose any money. Didn't make any money either, but I didn't lose any money, which is fine. But I think XRP's got a lot of stuff going here for it, and there's going to be a big move coming on this bad boy in the not-so-distant future. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. ETH, of course, gave us a great trade this week. Dog with hat. The hat does stay on. It's making money, so great opportunities in the market. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back in the next video. Peace.